1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2. Testing the smartphone setting on the BOYA microphone now. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2, 3. The setting is off, and I am talking into the mic without the muff. Good morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. I am so excited to be on the Express today and finally having had tested the BOYA microphone. I actually went through the instructions one more time to make sure I had all of my settings right, all of the equipment ready. So you're listening to this. This is actually the first recording on my BlackBerry Curve, which is improving the sound. So when I record on my Traveler's Notebook and on the Express Retreats, you'll be able to hear a clearer sound. So I highly recommend the BOYA microphone. I'll link it down below. It is an affiliate link which benefits Resurrection Life Center and all the work that they're doing in Texas. Look forward to seeing you face to face or online for future videos. Take care. Good morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. Today I am on my TN station, which means that I'm on the Express, recording for you tips, tools, and traveler notes techniques while you're on the town, maybe temping on a job, taking up some time and doing some journaling while you're on retreat. But now I did finally do my test for the BOYA microphone. I'm actually using it right now to record this video blog. So just wanted to let you hear how it sounds with the mic muff. And also it's on my BlackBerry Curve, which I purchased, has to be over 5 to 6 years ago. I upgraded it with a 2 gigabyte video card, and now it's up and running again. So even though I don't have a call plan on the phone, I can still use it to record sound as well as video. So just wanted to let you know that it was a success. I think this is my 3rd attempt. So leave a comment or a question down below in the section, or just DM me if you have any questions. I'll include the affiliate link in case you want to pick one up from Amazon for yourself. All right, take care.